Hey guys, we're at Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at the Promenade Fine Art Gallery at Disney's Boardwalk Resort. Let's head in and take a look. Now, obviously, since it's an art gallery, we'll probably go in and show you guys versus talk it up. But I gotta stop here at the door. That's the biggest Ariel I've ever seen. So obviously, a lot of this is all Disney themed. So let's just take a look at it. Goofy under the palm trees. You gotta love it. Then they had these table stands, which are just awesome. Scrooge McDuck with his money. This one is just amazing. You have Peter Pan, Wendy and them leaving, flying over London, and then going down on a pirate ship. And then we'll go down to this one. Hold on. This is one of my favorites. There's the 7 doors. Now leaving the mine to the left, coming to the house to the right, across the wall. And then here this is a newer one we haven't seen. This is Belle. So obviously the Beauty and the Beast, and they're doing the dance. It is just awesome. Mayor's there, everybody's there. It is just fantastic.
I like this one.
We'll sneak through. And then on the bottom here, here's the Fantasia one, which is great. And then last but not least, there is a fantastic Winnie the Pooh. Love it. So that's just tables. Now along the back wall here, they have all these prints. It's just, I mean, some are clearly Disney, some are not clearly Disney. You have Tink and Mickey and Minnie. The Great Darth Vader. Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. You do not see that often. Scrooge is back. And then really just in honor of the movie coming out, you got Lilo and Stitch.
Oh, that's cute, Brian.
Look at beautiful.
That's really cute. Ooh, I like that.
And then here you have Alice in Wonderland. And the Queen of Hearts Castle, I'm guessing. It just
Ooh, I like
continues and
this.
it's done so well. And they do have a lot of statues. Now, this is a great one. Maleficent. This is fantastic. And then they do have glasswork as well. It's just a wave, but it is just an amazing piece of work. And then Jim Warren has a lot of work out here. And so they have dancing. Here they have Snow White. And you would say, well, why? Because Jim Warren's actually here. And he's actually doing his work here. So he's actually present painting. And it's just really great. You can see one of his works in progress, which is really fascinating. The Fantasia one. It was just done so well. So we keep cutting through.
Oh, I got to bring it this way. No, I this right here will tilt. So I got to just get this turned.
And then here they have this great metal.
So no, I got to turn the phone the other direction.
This is kind of new.
I need to be able to see
Lilo, Pluto,
sometimes
and they have so you go ahead. No, you're good. And then they have Minnie and Mickey up there. And there my folks is Jim Warren. He's setting up a camera show of his own. Here's another artist who's working. And this is her work, which is wow.
And see the little dog is in the window
Wow.
in the castle. So whenever you see the dragon, you're going to see the little white dog somewhere.
It's amazing. We'll try to scooch out here. And here are all the figment. It's really just amazing stuff. And interesting, she was just talking about Figment. Where the dragon is, you find the white dog. Each one of these statues, the white dog is there. That's interesting. This might be Boardwalk as well. That's all the Figment work. And then you see here, she's busy painting right now. And then there's some other work behind her. And here's a piece she completed. And again, there's a dragon. And then in the window, there's a white dog.
It's in that alcove.
So the work continues. They have glass work and they have jewelry. And then there's an alcove. Now we're not going to go in there just because it's a very crowded space and hard to film in. Don't want to intrude on people's time. But so this is the Promenade Art Gallery. This is an amazing space right here at the Boardwalk. Highly, 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 highly recommend coming here and taking a look. It is a great place to browse, and if so inclined, to pick up a piece which can help the house look a little more Disney-like. With that said, this is George Floyd Parks After Dark. We are here, and we're going on our next event. You guys take over a fantastic. Hey guys, George Floyd Parks After Dark. Hey, we're here at the Promenade Fine Art Gallery at Boardwalk, and the work of art you're seeing is by one artist, Jim Warren. His work is incredibly whimsical and fun. Like this piece here, boy drawing and they come to life. Mickey spraying the color on Donald. Look at that, it's just amazing. At the seashore, you pull back, you have kids playing, and it's this splash of work of art and then kind of more almost a graffiti feel to it. So the splashes of color. I mean, look at this space version of Fab Five. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful work. He does amazing work, but what's really great is he's here today. So guys, that's Jim Warren, who's actually working on a piece right now. And the piece he's working on, obviously, is Mickey Fantasia. I don't want to intrude too much. He's working on that piece right there from Mickey Fantasia. And so he's just making these beautiful works of art. So guys, Florida Parks After Dark, we definitely try to show you all things at all times. And with that said, we are going to go on to our next event. You guys have a fantastic day and take care.